Hello there. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to explore the world of facility maintenance software. We'll delve into why easy usability is crucial and how mobility can enhance your maintenance team's productivity. We'll show you how task automation can streamline your daily operations and why live reporting is a game changer. We'll also discuss how the right software can bolster your strategic planning. Now let's get started. Are you wondering what software you need to use for facility maintenance? You're in the right place. We at UpKeep believe we offer the best maintenance software for your business. But let's put our bias aside for a moment and discuss some general features that you should be looking for in your facility maintenance software solution. First off, you want your software to be easy to use. When you add a software solution to your business, it should be intuitive and simple to learn. After all, the whole point of software is to make your employees' jobs easier and save you time and money. The last thing you want is a maintenance solution that keeps your technicians stuck, trying to figure out how to extract or record information correctly. Also, it's important that your maintenance information can be accessed both in the office and on the go. Your technicians are going to be on site for the majority of their work, and they need to access and record data as they work. Next up, let's talk about task automation. Your facility maintenance software should be able to automate regular and routine maintenance tasks. You just need to enter those required tasks once, select the frequency of completion, and voila! The software generates automatic to-do lists for your technicians each day. What if your technicians spot problems while they're performing routine inspections? Well, they should be able to flag that data in your software system so that it can be conveniently scheduled for repair. Task automation plays a critical role in increasing facility maintenance efficiency. Now, let's move on to live reporting. You shouldn't have to wait until the end of the day to evaluate how your technicians are performing or where resources are being used. You need a software solution that provides live reporting so that your facility managers can easily see what's going on via a real-time dashboard. Having up-to-the-second data allows you to make decisions regarding resources, equipment, and staff as the day progresses. Lastly, your facility maintenance software should support your strategy. A strong software system can free up your manager's time for more strategic tasks. By delegating all those mundane operational decisions to your software, you can reallocate your human intelligence to plan, collaborate, and problem-solve more effectively. So there you have it. These are the key features you should be looking for in your facility maintenance software. Remember, the right software can make all the difference in the efficiency and effectiveness of your maintenance and operations teams. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the crucial aspects of facility maintenance software, including easy usability, mobility, task automation, live reporting, and strategic support. If you found this information useful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our software solutions, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you streamline your operations and boost your team's productivity.